I am in New York City, Manhattan. Bam, bam, bam. If you guys have a good yoga person on YouTube, let me know. I'll be disqualified. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sky Bobby and you're watching SKYBOBYTV, and I'm already here in New York City. As you can see, there's New York. New York City. Anyway, I'm in the van. We're heading to Manhattan. This is my first actual layover in Manhattan in a long time. I've been staying by the Newark airport. Anyway, let me take this off for a hot second. I can breathe. And I'm shiny. Wow. Anyway, I'm going to go to my room, check it out. I'll give you guys a tour of the room, let you know what it looks like, and then I'm gonna take a disco nap and go get some dinner. And then I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye girl, bye. 3 times is a charm. Lucy, I'm home. Hey everybody, what's up? Yes, I am in New York City, Manhattan, in this small hotel room, very small. Wait till I give you the tour. But I'm in New York, so I can't complain. So, y'all ready for the grand tour? Stay tuned, it's gonna go quick because it's small. All right, you first walk in, immediately to your left is the bathroom. And as you can see, it's just a toilet, a small little sink, a few towels, a nice mirror that has the lighting, which is cool. Here I am. Bam, bam, bam. The walk-in shower. There's the amenities. Nice big mirror here. Bam, bam. And I would say this is a double-sized bed. 4 pillows. We got the hookup for days. What's that? Even more hookups. We got that covered. And then we got the small TV on the wall. Interesting. And I'm not going to touch nothing because I haven't sanitized it yet. That's the new world. I got to make sure we sanitize everything. And then we have the ice in the drawer. We have a refrigerator. It's cold. We have an espresso machine, which is cool. Nice little chair. A small desk to do editing. And I have like a little corner window. Let's see what the view is. All right. There we are. Not much to recognize. Right there is the Chrysler building. I'm on the 30th floor. That's down below. Nice little artwork there. Nothing to report. Oh, wait. If I go to the right, there is the Empire State Building. Just right there. I don't know if it'll come in clear or not. There it is. So I got kind of a good view. I'm in Midtown Manhattan. All right. Oh, that feels so good. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe down below so you won't miss a video. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. That's how I grow on the YouTube. Anyway, I'm gonna take off this monkey suit. I need a disco nap. I don't know why. The service was easy. We had about 100 people out of 300 people. Everybody behaved. We flew from San Fran to New Jersey, and then we took like almost 40 minutes to get from Jersey to Manhattan. and I'm here for 26 hours. I leave tomorrow night. So I'll just probably relax tonight, have a nice dinner, if I can find somewhere to eat, and then get up in the morning and explore of what I can. Right now in New York, the restaurants are open as long as they have outside dining. A lot of the stores and shops are open, allowing a few people in. It's not as crowded here in New York still because of only New Yorkers supposed to be here. And I'm not sure how much I'll show you guys because I just posted a New York trip last week, but I actually took a Uber from Newark into Manhattan. I met some friends there. If you haven't seen that video, it's the one before this one. And now I'm actually here, so I can able to spend time. They're out of town, so I'm on my own. But I could actually stay in the city and get up in the morning and get an early start. So we'll see. So if I can make this a video, I will continue to record and let you guys know what's going on, and I'll be back. Bye, girl, bye. So on my way here, I ran into a nail salon that is open here in New York. So I am getting a manicure and a pedicure. Social distancing with the mask and everything. And it feels so good. It's the first one ever since. You guys want to see? And they have like the plastic, keep you safe and distance. So now I'm in the manicure area. They have the nice glass to keep you safe and everything. That is my manicurist. And now I have to go because she wants my fingers. And then that's this so far. So you can hear me. When I say I have my first manicure pedicure since this COVID, everything felt good. I felt safe and comfortable. There were masks, there were gloves, they had a plastic shield all over, which I think salons were already practicing a lot of this stuff before even this had hit. They were giving a special today because they're trying to get business back here in New York City. So I got a manicure, pedicure, a shoulder massage, and neck massage, and I got a leg massage and a hand massage, and it all came out to $60. It was a special where you get, if you get a pedicure, you get a manicure free, and then it was only a $10 for the massage, $1 a minute. So I'm feeling good, y'all, and hopefully things work out great, that everybody was protective, and New York is open for business. I think they're way ahead of the curve. Everything's going down, and I think it can work. So let me put my mask back on. I did wash my hands. And now I'm gonna look for some food and call it a night, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye, girl, bye. Hey everyone, I found a restaurant row here in Hell's Kitchen. It was empty everywhere in New York, but of course I get to Hell's Kitchen, it's a little bit more crowded. I do see people wearing their masks more than ever, so that's a good sign, but it's gorgeous here in New York. It's about 80 degrees and it's about 7 o'clock at night. Daylight is still going, so now I just gotta find the right restaurant, somewhere where it's not as crowded, and some good food. Can't go wrong in Hell's Kitchen. I don't know if you guys can see me, but it's dark here out, but I'm in Hell's Kitchen. I was gonna get tacos, but I was like, nah, I can get tacos anyhow. So I went to a burgers joint, and as long as you're eating outside, it's pretty good. And I ordered the Supreme cheeseburger that has bacon and onion rings, and a frozen margarita. Yay! Am I blurry? Anyway, and then that's it. I probably won't show you the food because it's just a burger, so why would I show you a burger? But if it looks fancy, I'll show you guys. If not, I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye, girl, bye. York in my hotel. This morning's going to be a self-care. Well, last night was self-care. I got my first manicure and pedicure in Manhattan. Beautiful luxury nail shop. At this big, huge pedicure station. And they had all the precautions. They had plastic clear stuff all the way around, so you were isolated in your own little bubble. The girls were wearing masks and gloves. I had to wear a mask the whole time. They used plastic around the bowl after every use. They sprayed down, so I felt safe enough. And I think that's going to be the new norm, that you can still go out and do things, but make sure you follow the same distance or the mask, and making sure that people are cleaning. Why weren't we doing this before? It's so interesting. Why wasn't it set up that way to begin with? Anyway, it was glorious, as you saw earlier. I went back to the classic red apple on my nails, with my favorite colors. You do you, and I'll do me. Anyway, it is a crappy day here in New York this morning. I had planned on getting up and going shopping because the mall is open, or just getting lost in Central Park, but y'all, it's pouring down rain. Let me show you. This is my window. I mean, it's raining so much you can't even see through the window, but it is what it is. So I'm making the best of it and just doing some editing and videoing and having hotel coffee. It's not bad. It's an espresso machine. Saved me $5 from going to Starbucks, so already positive vibes already. I started looking at YouTube videos doing yoga poses and like amateur yoga. On vacation in Palm Springs, my friend Matt was doing some poses every single morning. And I was like, well, are you taking yoga classes? Like, no, I'm just getting them on YouTube. So I started that, and actually I like it. So I'm gonna watch some more YouTube yoga and get into it. If you guys have a good yoga person on YouTube, let me know. Leave a comment down below, because I gotta get this body tight and right. Summer's not going to be the body skimpy Speedo type of summer, but this fall, y'all better watch out. I'm just saying, y'all better watch out. What else is today? So, last night was fun. I went walking. I don't know, a lot of you realize that being a flight attendant can be a lonely job at times. A lot of it's good, and a lot of times we show you the good, the bad, and the evil, but I'm here by myself in beautiful Manhattan and just thinking about things in life, walking the streets of Manhattan. I mean, that song, New York by Alicia Keys and Jay-Z, these streets that make you feel brand new, they do. Yeah, I was just walking around having dinner for one. It was kind of sad. I wish my hubby was here with me having dinner. But that's the life of a flight attendant. It's, some days are just amazing, and some days are just, of course, I've been in New York hundreds of times, but there's no New York without Broadway, I'm sorry. They're about 70% back to normal. Well, again, we don't know what normal is, but you know, they're doing shopping, and you can do dining, pedicure. The things you can't do right now is sporting events and eating indoors, which I think in a few days they're going to be doing that, and you can't do the gym. But New York numbers are getting lower and lower. They've got the curve going all the way down, and they're open for business. They don't welcome any outsiders to bring back up the numbers. We're lucky as a crew, we can get in as long as we get back out. I don't know how they're policing it. My flight had over 100 people. They didn't look like New Yorkers to me, but they were coming to New York. I had one couple going on to Cancun, Mexico, and I thought, wow, that's really a hot spot in Mexico. But they said they did their homework and research and said Cancun is open for business. Come. Their cases are low in Cancun, but high like in Mexico City and all that stuff. So if you do plan on traveling, which is one of the reasons why I made this video too, is you can still travel, you can still do your things, but be careful and go at your comfort level. I guess the show is going on. I think a lot of people are just giving up, or I know COVID hasn't given up, but I think people are giving up, and a lot of it has to do with just not wearing the mask. I don't understand how political it has become, but it is necessary. And I think even with the vaccine, you might have to do it on some special occasions and certain times, because for years, Asia has been doing the mask for years for like pollution and all kinds of reasons, and they seem more comfortable with it. But Americans, we hate that mask. We surely hate that mask. I think it's I don't know if it's a symbol or what, but it's not our culture. We don't like it. But it's killing folks. It is killing folks. So just out of respect, wear the mask. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. So today, I have about another 3 hours before I leave back to San Francisco. I have a 5-hour flight. Flight's wide open. It's so hard. kind of stay focused on the plane when it's only like less than 100 people and it's a 5-hour flight. The airplane is warm, it's dim light, and you're just like, come on, let's get this flight over with. And then I got the rest of the weekend off, and then I head back to work. I'm doing New York all month. Staying domestic. I'm trying to pick up something. Hopefully I'll pick up my first international trip. I think I'm ready. To fly international. I'm seeing a lot of my flying partners come back to flying. I also have to get my annual training in next month. If I don't get my annual training in, I'll be disqualified as a flight attendant and have to be requalified, which takes more days to get certified, and I don't want that. So hopefully I can be able to squeeze that in pretty soon. That's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed our vacation in Palm Springs. It was so nice just to get out and feel normal and just relax. It was a little hot, but it was that dry heat, so it was very manageable to be 115 degrees. And then we get back to San Francisco yesterday, and it went down to 65 degrees. But true as San Franciscans, they were on the beach at 65 degrees. Oh, that cracks me up. I don't know if y'all know that though, but San Francisco, we get the city itself in the summertime. It's the coldest time of the year to come. The best time to come is the end of September, early October, where we can get in the 80s and 90s, and maybe once or twice during that time, almost to the hundreds. But it's microclimate, but if you go 20 minutes away to Oakland or an hour away from San Jose, it gets hot in the summertime. So I always tell people, come in the fall, it's gorgeous. If you catch the right time, you can head up to Napa, and that's during the harvest. You can see the guys picking the grapes and harvesting those beautiful wines that are sent around the world. Yeah, that's it, guys. Sky Boys and Sky Girls, thanks for supporting me and watching all my videos, all the crazy videos. I'm trying to narrow through this COVID and get some videos out to you guys. You know, I'm a travel channel, and to be a travel channel, you gotta get out and travel, but I can't. So I've been doing a lot of these sit downs, can we talk kind of videos, and hopefully in a few months I'll be out there doing my thing, twirling around the world. Twirling around the world. I gotta make a note of that. And if you're new to my channel and you fell upon this channel and you're watching it this far, thank you so much for tuning in. It'd be a good idea for you to subscribe so you won't miss a video. I always have a video on Wednesdays and Saturdays, but I always throw in bonus videos depending on how good you guys are. In between, you never know when that is, so you have to make sure you put the alert button on, which is right there as well. And like the video. That's how my video gets shared to everyone. I want to have 1 million followers by tomorrow. But that's all I got. Bye, girl, bye.